Welcome, in front of me is a TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I'll show you how you can insert your SD card into this device. Now before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which... oh, I just dropped it. Did it fall? In any case, I'm just gonna grab a different one in this case. Okay, so there we go, there's a different one. So it will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, then you can use something like a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you will then be able to pop out the tray, which is located at the top of the device if you're holding it in landscape mode. On the same side where you have your volume and power button, you can see it right over here. Now taking the tool, you want to put it in there and then push it in. You will see that the tray pops out, and now for you to take it out. Now on the tray we have space for just a single SD card. So I'm gonna place it on there. There we go. Make sure it clips into place, so it needs to lay flush on the tray, and from there you can insert it back into your device. And that's all. The card should start working right away. So let's see if the device is detecting it. No, it is. As you can see, there's a notification for it. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.